Hey YouTube, I got this dope idea from my close friend Tony to do an unboxing, and since my mom got me this Funko Advent Calendar Marvel for my birthday, I figured I'd start it today, December 1st. Check it out. So let me put this on okay. Put on the plastic. Pretty cool, you know. It's kind of a yeah, it's pretty dope. So looks like they have like an old school Iron Man, Rocket, Captain Marvel, Thanos, Captain America, and Venom. I mean, hopefully those are actually all included in there. So there's 24 pieces, so that's pretty cool. So starting it today and up until Christmas Eve. Yep. So I'm gonna flip the camera onto me. I don't know how these unboxings kind of work, so, but I hope you like my face. Got this turtle. I got this T-shirt from T Turtle. They sell a lot of cool, cute Marvel and all different kinds of things, and yeah. So this is the box that we just saw. Has a lot of the cool comic-inspired, you know, boxes. This is how the inside looks. It's pretty dope. So, okay, nice. It's pretty cool. That's dope. So let's do the first one. So I think that's Vision. Actually, no. I think that's Iron Man. That's pretty cool. All right, so that's day one. And stay tuned for day two. Okay, thank you.